Hi guys, this is my first tutorial in YouTube. So the first unit in biology class 7 is nutrition. And there comes two chapters. First is the nutrition in plants and the next chapter is nutrition in animals. So coming to the first topic of the first chapter, there first of all we should know what is nutrition. Maybe it's plants or animals. So nutrition is nothing but consuming the food. Who consumes the food? The organisms. It may be plants or the animals. They consume the food. So by that they'll get the energy in the form of carbohydrates, which use them the main energy to do the daily activities, and proteins, which is needed for growth, development and maintenance of their body, and vitamins and minerals. These are the very essential part. So this is known as nutrition. So after doing this, why this is required? Because every organism need energy to perform their daily activities, like talking, like what I'm doing, breathing, the main part of all individuals. So this is nutrition. So in plants, if we see, mainly there are three types of nutrition. Like some will prepare their own food, some will depend on others by harming them, some will depend without harming them. So coming to that, we can see there are parasites. In this chapter we'll be mainly focusing on parasites and saprotrophs. Parasite is nothing but these are the organisms which depend on others by harming them. They live inside the body or outside the body. For example, for the parasites we can think of the lice, which lives on the head of the, for example, human being. So they harm, they suck the blood. So these are parasites. I'll be providing all the details of the examples of the parasites. And the next one is saprotrophs. These are also called as saprophytes, and these are also known as decomposers, because these organisms doesn't harm anyone, or they doesn't harm any environment. They just depend on the dead and decaying organic matter. That is nothing but by doing that they clean the environment. So these are called as pollution free. Like if they say that these organisms are present more, the pollution is less in that environment. For example, fungi and all. So the next part is photosynthesis. This is a basic thing which everyone should know before coming into the nutrition in plants. So I'll be dealing with all this in the next tutorial, and we have to see how the nutrients will be obtained or replenished from the soil by all the organisms, like how the soil will be becoming fertile, like